This crop is Uganda's prized asset. The other cereals such as barley and corn fetched farmers top dollar in 2022, according to the Uganda Breweries managing director.
And having the partners has been able to get us from the 2014 we bought from farmers about 14 billion shillings worth of produce. And last year we spent 52 billion. So over the years we have been going from strength to strength, working right through the chain to get us to where we are. So we're very proud of what we do and what we have done, and we are excited about the prospects coming forward.
That's approximately a 205% rise in spending. It could have been more, but a huge fraction is sourced from large-scale farmers. The brewer says this roundtable meeting is seeking solutions to expand the value chain. The value chain meaning smallholder farmers whose lack of knowledge to accessing financing is still keeping them in the cold.
Microfinance Support Center, if you farmers didn't know that, Microfinance Support Center even gives interest as low as 8-9%, 10-12%. So we bridge the knowledge gap to make sure that the farmers get to know about these initiatives.
Small farmers take loan, but I think they fear not to pay because the non-performing loans for small farmers are almost non-existent. It's less than 3%. So it means that when they go to borrow, they actually borrow for the intended purpose and they go into agriculture and afterwards they pay back. So that has been the experience from our side with the agricultural credit facility. But people are saying, well, how can I go and access this money? Where do I go?
Among the attendees, Pastor Robert Kayanja, himself a large farmer in Karamoja, who challenged financiers to rethink their strategies on reaching the undercapitalized.
No one does business in agriculture at the interest rate Uganda is offering. No one will be able to do it. Not even at 10%. Let us not kid ourselves. So we need negotiators. Farmers, you need to negotiate with government and banking. No one does business. If Uganda's economy, as you're talking about, is agro-based, and I believe it's so, we need a different conversation and a different discussion. No one does business in agriculture at 10%.
And the private sector's plea to government?
Many of these companies are listed on the stock exchange. So even when you're imposing a tax, is it possible to look backwards, proactively, and say, if company X has invested $20 million in a particular production line, ostensibly to grow the capacity of offtake, can we have a discussion?
The brewer has also announced it's targeting to increase the number of partner farmers from the current 35,000 to 50,000 in order to meet its 100% local raw materials sourcing target by 2030. Malcolm Musime, NTV Business, Kampala.